Fasting or not fasting, you should definitely try this recipe. It's quick, easy and extremely delicious. Let's get started. I'm going to roast 2 cups of peanuts in a heavy bottomed pan on low flame for 15-20 minutes, and we'll have to keep stirring it in between. So once the color changes and once they are properly roasted, you need to let them cool down a bit, and after they have cooled down, transfer them to a mixer jar. And after you give it 3-4 pulses, it will look like this. Scrape down the sides and then again pulse for 3-4 times. Then it will start looking like this. And now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur. It's enough to sweeten it. 2 tablespoons of jaggery is more than enough to sweeten this. You can choose to skip putting jaggery also, like if you want it unsweetened, it's fine because peanuts have sweetness of their own. So after giving 3-4 more pulses, it will start looking like this, and this is the perfect batter for making burfis. So it's basically like making peanut butter, but we have stopped in between. It's far quicker than the process of making peanut butter. Now I've taken a parchment paper and I'm going to put the batter on it. Now we are going to spread it lightly. Now you can also choose to put it in a square plate. I didn't have one, I couldn't find one, so that is why I am trying to do it manually. But you can find a square plate, or you can give it any other shape. You can even make laddus or whatever you want to, however you like it. And decorate it with nuts, seeds, rose petals, your choice, whatever you want to do with it. This is all optional. Maybe add sesame seeds, muskmelon seeds, whatever you like. I'm adding in some pumpkin seeds. They are high in protein, and even peanuts are high in protein. So you can decide what you want to add, and you can eat it in fast also. Now we'll be refrigerating it for 2 hours. Now peanuts themselves have a lot of good fat. You don't need to add any other fat like ghee or anything. You don't need to do that. Now I'm just cutting it into bite-sized pieces, into small pieces, so as to control my portions. It's very healthy, but at the same time you need to control your portions because it's all peanuts. So yeah, it's ready, and it's healthier than any other sweet that you will eat, and it's so tasty. You must try this recipe. It's so easy and quick and so damn tasty. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Happy Navratri. Bye bye.